it's your girl Kendraimani and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, how y'all doing? Like, thank you for tuning back in. Anyways, today in this video, very excited because I'm gonna be installing this wig that I have on right now. This is actually like 3 days after the install, so sorry if it's not like it's not perfect, because I kind of just like I've been doing a lot of stuff with it, so it probably don't look like exactly how it was when I first installed it, but nah, it's still giving, very much giving. But yeah, oh, disclaimer, this video is probably gonna change quality. I'm not sure. I'm recording from my phone right now, so yeah, and I'm recording from my phone because my camera battery is charging, so I might have to just film the intro from my phone, and the intro is just gonna be from my phone. I hope it's good quality. I feel like it's good quality. I paid good money for this phone, so I hope, you know. And the rest of the video for me installing it will be from my camera angle, because I did film that. Yeah, how should I begin this? I'm learning, guys, so please bear with me. This wig was sent to me by VSHOW. This is how they look. Thank you so much, VSHOW, for sending me this wig. Like, I love y'all. Thank you so much. Yeah, it came with the wig, obviously. I have it on my head, but it came with a wig cap. I didn't use the wig cap because it's a little light, but you know, I will eventually use it. And it also came with the what are these things called? Oh my god, brochures. Yeah, the little brochures and stuff like that, trying to give you like insights on how to take care of the hair and all that good stuff. Let me give you guys a little wig detail. I posted on my Instagram, and I also posted on my Snapchat. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram. We just hit 16K, so I'm really excited. I literally hit 16K this morning, and I'm like, so make sure you follow. And yeah, we fun on Instagram. It's fun. I do natural hair videos on Instagram. I post like, you know, occasionally when I dress up or whatever like that, but mostly natural hair content. But pretty much this is a 18-inch frontal, and the texture is Kinky Curly. To be honest with y'all, I was sleeping on Kinky Curly wig, really sleeping, but I'm woke. This is so pretty. I love the length. The length is perfect. This is literally the perfect length. I didn't need anything longer. I didn't need anything shorter. This is exactly the length that I needed, and I could, like, you know, care for without like driving myself insane, because I'm not really a curly hair type of person. I really love like straight hair, body wave, because I already have natural hair and I don't want to deal with it. But I was really happy when they sent me this. Like, thank you. So, and I highly recommend it. It's super easy to take care of, and honestly, I use my products that I use for my natural hair on this, or like products that I like I occasionally use for my natural hair, but I would just like start using it for my curly natural wigs. So for example, oh, I should have took them out, but let me go get them. So pretty much a few of the products that I used on this wig, I used boom. I actually haven't used it on my natural hair yet, but this is good. So this is the Eco Cream Lavender Styling Cream. So I got this from my Walgreens across the street, cause I seen it. I was like, what's this? It's a new gel. This is not a new gel. This is a leave-in, but it has like glitter in it and stuff like that. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to use it on my natural hair, but it sure as hell works. Like, this is so nice. And I actually have glitter on my hand, like a little bit. It's not too much. It's not doing too much, but it does leave you with a little bit of glitter. You probably can't really see it. I don't think it's very like noticeable on your hair, but it is noticeable on your hand a little bit. But yeah, but I still love this. This is nice, and I will continue to use it for my curly wigs because my wig feels super soft, like very soft. So this is what I got. And then I also used quick curls. I don't use a lot of this. I just put, you know, dime size into my hands and like put it towards the ends, and this does the wig very, this is really good for the wig. Another thing is the for a mousse, I use the Rose Water by African Pride Moisture Miracle. I think I said that all types of backwards. Hold on. Okay, so I use the African Pride Moisture Miracle Rose Water and Organ Oil Soft and Smooth Curl Mousse. So I use that for my hair too. I just be, you know, putting it on the top and smoothing it down, and it smells good, and it doesn't give me like a hard hold. So you love that. Is there anything I'm missing, y'all? Review, like a little review for my 3 days of wearing this. I love this hair. Like, this is one of my faves. This is so cute. I try to do like a a zigzag part. I might take the zigzag part out for a little bit, but it was fun. Like, this is a fun install. You're gonna see me installing. I don't think I'm gonna be talking for the rest of the video. I'm not sure. I'm still deciding. I haven't edited it yet, but I'm about to go edit the video. But I don't know if I'm gonna speak. So if I speak, I speak. If I don't, I hope you enjoy. So I'm gonna leave you guys now. What do I want to tell you guys? Make sure you subscribe, join the family. I think I said that already, but I'm gonna say it again for the people in the back who didn't hear. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. What's the reason? Why wouldn't you subscribe? Like, don't hit the dislike. I don't know why you would, but don't do it. And leave me a comment if you want to. I respond. So enjoy the video. So we have the wig cap on already. We're gonna cut the tabs. So I use the color, it's kind of done, but I use ebony. It's kind of done, but I just get the corners. Down a little bit more. Y'all, this is melted. Okay, so we're back. Hold on, let me fix this. Oh, perfect. Look at this side, y'all. Okay. Okay. Like, this looks good. Like, whoa. So yeah, it kind of like brings back black hair Kendra. Like, what? It's super cute. I love this. I've been taking videos like since I woke up, and I'm really excited. See if I could edit this and I'm put like little slow-mos and stuff. I hope they look good. Let me try to do some slow-mos real quick. So let's put it back. Let's put it back. Okay. And we have the music going and stuff like that. Alright, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you... Ooh, this is gotta be the outro, the intro. I don't even know. But wherever this goes, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content, more hair content, more natural hair content, more wig content, more everything. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And bye, YouTube!